our summer salad series. Today we'll be making a broccoli salad. So there are many versions of broccoli salads, and it's a popular summer dish that you're sharing with friends or family. And it keeps very well, so you can make it in a larger quantity and have it for the week. This salad has lots of nutritional benefits. So broccoli is one of the most nutritious foods. It's basically a superfood. And that's because it is a sulfur food, so that helps us to detoxify. And along with that, it's got lots of different fibers. There's onions in here that have prebiotic fibers that you use, as well as a touch of fruit. This recipe calls for pumpkin seeds, but you can use any seeds that you like. Just in a pan and toast them. You can also toast them in the oven, but it's really quick doing it right on the stove. You want to watch them because they can easily burn, so just toast them for a minute or two until they become fragrant, and then take them off the heat. 3 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 1.5 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 3 tablespoons plain Greek yogurt, 2 teaspoons Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon maple syrup or honey, 1 garlic clove minced, 1 pound broccoli, 1/3 of a cup diced red onions, 1/3 of a cup dried cranberries,